Is your vehicle guzzling more gas than usual, or perhaps you've noticed it's not accelerating as smoothly? These might be signs of an underlying issue with one of the key players in your vehicle's engine management system, the oxygen sensor. This small yet mighty device is like the conductor of an orchestra, orchestrating every function of your engine to ensure smooth performance. But when the conductor is off beat, the music loses its harmony. Similarly, a failing oxygen sensor can result in decreased fuel efficiency, poor acceleration, unusual smells, and even black smoke puffing from your exhaust. The repercussions of turning a blind eye to these symptoms could be even more severe, resulting in potential damage to your vehicle. So if you're keen to understand more about this vital component and how to recognize when it's out of tune, stick as we unravel the mystery behind these symptoms. Ever noticed a drop in your car's fuel efficiency or unusual smells coming out of your exhaust? Let's dive into the symptoms of a bad oxygen sensor. First up, the infamous check engine light. This little light on your dashboard signals a variety of issues, and one of the common culprits is a faulty oxygen sensor. It's like the car's way of saying, "Hey, something's not right here." Now onto poor gas mileage. You know when your fuel seems to disappear faster than your morning coffee? A malfunctioning oxygen sensor can be to blame. It's responsible for measuring the amount of oxygen in your car's exhaust, and when it's not working properly, your engine might get more fuel than it needs, leading to a decrease in fuel efficiency. Next, let's talk about those unusual smells and black smoke coming from your exhaust. When the oxygen sensor fails, it can cause your engine to run rich. That means too much fuel and not enough oxygen. This results in unburnt fuel entering the exhaust system. The chemical reactions that follow can produce some nasty odors and even black smoke. Finally, ever experience rough idling or poor acceleration? Like when your car seems to hesitate or stumble during acceleration? The oxygen sensor plays a vital role in maintaining the optimal combustion process. If it's not reading the oxygen levels accurately, it can affect the timing of your engine, leading to these performance issues. So, to sum it up, if your check engine light is on, you're visiting the gas station more often than you'd like. You're noticing unusual smells or black smoke from your exhaust. Or your car isn't running as smoothly as it should. Your oxygen sensor might be waving a red flag. These are the telltale signs of a bad oxygen sensor. But what does this sensor do exactly? The oxygen sensor plays a pivotal role in your car's engine management system. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly does this sensor do? Well, let's delve into that. The oxygen sensor, often referred to as the O2 sensor, is responsible for monitoring the amount of oxygen in the exhaust gases exiting the engine. It's a bit like the engine's respiratory physician. This information is then relayed to the powertrain control module, or PCM. The PCM is like the brain of the engine, making real-time adjustments to the air-fuel mixture based on the data it receives from the oxygen sensor. Now, why is this important? The balance of air and fuel is critical to the engine's performance and efficiency. When the sensor is functioning correctly, it ensures that your engine has the perfect blend of air and fuel for combustion. This not only optimizes your car's performance and fuel economy, but it also plays a significant role in reducing harmful emissions. The oxygen sensor is a key player in maintaining clean emissions. A well-functioning O2 sensor ensures that the fuel is burnt efficiently, reducing the amount of harmful gases that would otherwise be released into the environment. So, you see, the oxygen sensor is more than just a small part in your car. It's a crucial component that ensures your engine runs efficiently and cleanly. Ignoring these issues can lead to some serious consequences. Let's delve into what they might be. Ignoring the symptoms of a bad oxygen sensor can result in more than just an inconvenient drive. It can lead to serious long-term damage to your vehicle. One of the key components at risk is the catalytic converter. This device is responsible for converting harmful gases into less toxic substances. However, when the oxygen sensor isn't working properly, the converter can be overwhelmed by unburnt fuel and eventually fail. This can be an expensive repair, often costing thousands of dollars. Moreover, a malfunctioning oxygen sensor can cause your vehicle to fail emissions tests, which are critical for keeping our air clean. This can lead to fines or even the inability to legally drive your car. On a broader scale, the excess emissions contribute to air pollution, a global issue with significant health and environmental implications. Addressing oxygen sensor issues promptly is key to maintaining your car's health and performance. Now that you're familiar with the symptoms of a bad oxygen sensor and its role in your engine, it's crucial to understand the importance of addressing the issue promptly. Remember, a faulty oxygen sensor can result in poor gas mileage, unusual smells, and even long-term damage to your vehicle's catalytic converter. We hope this information proves helpful. Share your experiences in the comments below. Remember, if you suspect a bad oxygen sensor, don't hesitate to seek professional advice.